Welcome to the Educational Camp Come Counseling Session by Enviro Skills Academy, providing 100% international placement. We are offering scholarship to students getting on the spot registration. So please join us on the 8th and 9th of May 2024.
Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong kala yok ban bat ya Kyrdan Nyngkong nak result examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC jong Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos lingba usohan batajarji ubala yok ban korhado South Park prapulai mark sa science stream kabalapan bana ha step jong pratari jemang araja apusau Haka Commerce Stream jong kaniga examen ya Kyrdan Nyngkong la yok ban khor da St Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong lingba ka Ferry Flarisha 1 kabayo South Park nyopu R marks Hakish Kyrdan la ne ki top 10 haka Science Stream ya Kyrdan ka ar la yok do Gordon Kupar Nongbri ka St Edmunds Higher Secondary School ubala yok South Park nyopun real marks board do R maker marpna jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School South Park nyopui marks Nang tah ka Kyrdan basaw pat kidon arngot u aniket patnayak jong ka Laban Bengalee Boys bat ka ame baay hun sya Kharbi ka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School South Spa nyopo marks ya ka Kyrdan basan pat la yok bat da rila akor lamari ka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School ka bala yok ban kur South Spa andrupu pra marks bot pat da arngot ha ka Kyrdan bahinriu ka tau ke van sangpui jong ka St Edmunds but way bahanong tudu lakyang ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School mukerdup Jowai South Spa andrupu marks Ya Kyrdan Henry part la yo do Josephia onan paswet na ka North Liberty da South Spa andro po marks boat do Abhijit Dep kan Laban Bengalee Boys ha Kyrdan bapra ubla yo South Spa san pukandai marks ha Kyrdan bakandai kidon arngot katau Freddie Linkoy dong Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong badu Edward po long lamari ka St Edmunds South Spa san pusan marks ya Kyrdan basipo part la yo bat do Kevin Strong Laurin yang ka Mairang Presbyterian Science College ubla yo South Spa san pusau marks
Yes. Jonathan first.
Em ngating prepare bit mata ya yaki studies ngalong focus bit yaki studies. Tik ba kuat benong ba kalong kadangkam ba fin plan pa ahead ba the plan pa ahead fila apoi pa shikmat la dan pa long pa ahead of majority of the students they Hajikapor consistency kalong very important kata ting la yo snow high but jing trishtam but hajikapor smart work so very important begin increase begin nang puna bani te but hajikapor ni dan doubts ni ding kam ban clean ni kai ban clear ki doubts ni but idi ban snap it mo iki bagi no kai ki I advice barat na dang shtam ki nang jing kai jing ki ba ki khamtip hai ni ma but ki advice jing ki ru kalong kai rap ini begin ki shikmat ti kalong kata hi begin ni nang trishtam shishu but ajak por begin non consistent
got my Kublai first Yomei and then my school. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to them and my teachers, my family, my friends. I feel really happy. I actually didn't expect this much. At first I thought my exam didn't really go that well. Then hopefully it did. It's all because of my teachers, my friends who supported me and my family who supported me emotionally, physically. So a big thank you to them. I've seen many reporters asking this, but that depends on the student actually. Like some student will have to study more hours there, like because they have like different talent. Some students have to study more hours to top, and some students have to study only less hours to top as much.
I'm feeling happy, and it was unimaginable because I did not think that I would get my position third, and that also in the board, in Embos board, because I thought that I would get under 10th, top 10th, but I got under 3rd, so this is a happy moment.
So what you are planning next?
I'm planning to do my BCom, and after BCom I'll try to pursue my CA, Chartered Accountant.
So can you tell us how do you manage to study?
The time management is actually very simple because I did not put effort, so much hardship onto me because I did my 2 hours or total 6 hours of study in a day. That's all, and no more extra.
Please also.
Did you go for tuition or?
No. I did my self study.
So, how's your teachers is helping you? With regards to
Teachers are
preparation?
very helpful. Whenever I had doubt, I would clarify. They would cooperate with me, and they were very helpful.
So, what about your parents?
My parents, my guardians are very much helpful to me, and they always motivated me to. And whenever I needed some required material to do my study, they would provide to me.
So, what is your message to your
My juniors.
other juniors?
So my message to my juniors is to maintain the discipline and not to avoid the difficulties or to avoid the studies. To do everything in a disciplined manner. Follow the discipline and you will achieve your success.
Hakaliang ka commerce pat ubabat ika Kyrdan baar uday Raj Paul ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ubalayok man kor South pa and reply marks nang talay ngot haka Kyrdan balay bakentop yo pangcoach data ka Laban Bengalee Boys ka Pinky Kumari jong St. Anthony's bot Aditya Prasad ka Don Bosco College Tura ki balayok kor Mar South pa Sanpu Pra marks. Kidan arngot haka Kyrdan basaw ka nearly na bani nong brijong ka St. Anthony's School but Urayan Surang Mirthong ka St. Edmunds ki balayok kor South pa San Pusaw marks. Ya ka Kyrdan ka basan pat layok daw Ishwa Karsotun ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School da South pa San Puy marks both da ka Sneha Paul jong ka St. Edmunds School haka Kyrdan bahinriw da South pa Saupunriw marks. Ya ka Kyrdan bahinyaw layok daw Diki Nong Plu ka Shillong College Higher Secondary Education ubalayok kor South pa Saupusan marks both daw Imazul Haq Laskar na Laban Bengalee Boys haka Kyrdan ka bapra da South pa Saupuar marks. Ka Alfie Clarissa Wardry jong ka St. Mary's ka layok banbat ika Kyrdan bakandai da South pa Saupo marks kat bah haka Kyrdan ka basipaw layok daw Jagjot Singh ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo da South pa Laipupra marks.
I'm very elated and satisfied with my outcomes today because I didn't really expect of getting second rank, though hope was there of getting letter marks in other subjects, but didn't expect second position.
How was your preparation? How many hours did you study?
Consistent efforts I have put throughout the year. So, and also the last 3 months I just pushed hard, and you can see the outcomes today.
Okay.
Parents, family members and the school institute because it has provided us with excellent facilities both in be it in leadership, academics, sports and as well the teacher are very supportive in nature. So the entire thanks goes to the school institute, its faculty, parents and obviously God.
Okay.
I'm planning to do BCom honors.
Okay, all the best.
So kemana ha bang ada pekerjaan semua ngu Shisha dah ka mengsim bro ya blay bela pelilat ena bang ni wana ni St. Anthony's bela ayang ki no hikai kibat bit shisha ban hikai nga kini ki subjects bro ki bang ala dekret na ka yang komas but Nyngkong lu aku ban ai ngu ya image nga ibaladan bit ringkat bang ai she is my support system ngadan jitu kono isadan bit iong yang am sim yang bang nang trish tom bang nang push lah dia kena bangan push ni katong ka bangan puy mentah.
Di garkom pen kre jupi kalong kumut try.
Garkom pen kre te ngapen kre ban ong pen kre kot lu ngam das nang te ngas ngapi ikajing batai jong ki nong hikai ki ong ki prepare shi kanta lani ar kanta kat ba semula man kasih rate ang ma ki ong consistency is the main thing ba ngin la ban le ba ga exam plus ngaka ban ai nguru ki nong hikai tuitions jong aru isa very imisri isa rigid bar kilai dan ringkat shisha bat ngakil ada ai shisha 4 bor ba mensing batin yarap shisha nga angat dengan di bosong sisngi tengah shong baris tengah ta 10 minit ban ong shong slam rum dala kan ira ka message bang aku ban ai ki wiki kenal unta ba kinum pere kenyata ka jeng pulikot as a very boring chore mo like they should enjoy the subject like they choose that subject number they have in life tengah ko aban oiki enjoy the subject kanang bad por baki kre bro konsep kenyaki but rabi bamban sutu ka konsep ka baskam but undi banting yakin kai di ban approach back di ban kran even the smallest doubts through it really helps to clear the concept mo tang ko aban ai but bakin shong pulia ko patang tai bakin nget bi haladi but I tilu au play bro
Kom pisau kum no halor kanika success story khun joki.
Ngam don kertin hi being a parent ti pawi ka baning kong di kajin kemen hi kajin kemen ka ba out of words. Dan kantin man express kuno. The proudest moment ever for me. So ba ulah pendeng si saya nga kata pansniat the crown of glory mo. So as a mother, that's the proudest moment. That's all I can say. Ngalai hero ulong kena ba minot hi kata, like from his tent also. Ulah minot when he gives his 100% on Allah. So tambalong ban hadu ban pui pat ka top 10 ti ngakram da pui perkan. Even in the 10th also gunakin dia ban sa top 20. Was it top 20 or so ngarang try manta ka 12 ti mo shoot page like sa katakan konkret kot like how he said 45 minutes 1 hour. That's the maximum amount he spends 1 hour during exams. He sleeps so early, he gets up usual timing. For others it might be an alarm at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. but not for him. So my expectations were not that high. Yes, I know that he will do well, but to get into this top 10 I never expected. So all thanks be to God and all thanks be to Ishwar.
Okay. Congratulations, Kang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.